What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you the army roll method for your backpack. It saves a lot of space in it and you have a really good overwatch what's inside. Let's go. So guys, let's start with trousers. Oops, nope, that's a t-shirt. At first, you take the bottom of your t-shirt, your functional t-shirt, and spin it around from the inside to the outside like this. Then you put your sleeves inside and this side, and then all you do is do it to the half, also on the other side like this. Keep it straight and then spin it around just like this and start rolling. And then you have at the end a little space, then you turn it around, spin it over also on the other side like this. So here we go. Here is our first masterwork. So guys, now we have the trousers. So the first thing you do, spin the waist, then do it to the half, the pants, then spin it around that you have the bottom of your trousers to yours, and then start rolling. Then you have the space, then turn it around, spin it around, also on the other side like this. Here we go. Here are the trousers. So guys, the next thing we're gonna do are our socks. Put both sides together and then spin it around at the top. Then also start rolling on the bottom like this. Then you have the ending here. Flip it and flip it. This. Here we go. Here are the socks. So the last thing is our underwear. Spin it on the top, put it to the half. So then spin it, the bottom is to yours, and start rolling, rolling, rolling. Here we go. And spin it around. Spin it around. Now, here we go. Here are our underwear. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you a lot. It helps me a lot when I'm traveling. It keeps all my backpack organized and have a lot of fun with your traveling, I hope, after COVID. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.